Today we're gonna do a replacement for the cabin air filter for 2012 Chrysler Town & Country. So there is that dampener right there. I do not take them out, just leave it in, and you have enough room to work around it. So you want to remove the cabin air filter. Only thing to do is squeeze that 2 tabs, one on the right, one on the left. Then you're gonna see that cabin air filter right there. That's a cover door right there I'm signing at. So there's also 2 tabs, one on each side. So all you gotta do is to remove it by squeezing the thing in, and they come right up. And the cabin air filter is right there, and looks, it's really dirty. You can see the leaves right there. See that, all the dust and pollen, leaves, dry leaves. And you look at between that thing, the cabin, oh look at that, it's very dirty. I have seen more dirty than that. So this one is the new one, PZC98. That's a part number for the Chrysler for this particular vehicle. And when you compare the new one and the old one, it's totally different, just like night and day. And remember, when you are installing it, just watch the arrow. They usually gonna say the arrow's down or the arrow need to be pointing up. In this case, the arrow is pointing down, so you're gonna install the cabin air filter pointing down, that arrow pointing down. And I do see quite a lot of cabin air filter installing backward, which means it's supposed to be pointing down, it's rather pointing up. So just remember, just read the description on your cabin air filter. Then when you install it, you just squeeze those 2 tabs, just squeeze in and push the glove box in, and you're done. Simple as that. Okay, that's all I have for this video, and I will see you next time. Luke is out.